The result of customer input and ongoing product development from Aerospace Optics, the innovator in LED push-button switches. The new VIVISUN Logic Series electronic latching switch is changing the way aviation design engineers look at traditional operator interface and circuit design. Significantly smaller than traditional magnetic latching or solenoid-held switches that are subject to mechanical component wear, VIVISUN Logic Series technology simplifies the circuit design, eliminating the need for magnetic holding coils or external latching relays. VIVISUN's internal logic circuit improves push-button functionality, allowing a single switch to perform multiple functions as a momentary or alternate action switch. The VIVISUN Logic Series can be combined with two traditional 7.5 amp switch poles, plus an integrated electrical circuit, which is the electronic latch that accepts discrete inputs and responds with conditioned outputs to perform a wide range of systems functions. Each operating mode, blink, set, reset, or toggle, may be initiated via a local or a remote input. With the Logic Series, physical switch actuation is not always required to initiate a switch function. Delivering Aerospace Optics high-quality LED technology and advanced manufacturing techniques, VIVISUN Logic Series switches reduce weight and power consumption, and Logic Series switches are rated to perform at 500,000 cycles at rated loads. Take a closer look at a VIVISUN Logic Series switch in action. For example, in an application to initiate an intercom communication between the cabin and cockpit. To initiate the call, a remote pilot call switch located in the cabin is actuated. This applies ground to the toggle input of the VIVISUN Logic Series electronic latch. This action activates the blink output, causing the pilot call switch to blink in a simulated ringer mode. The same activation of the pilot call switch and ground to toggle also activates the Q output of the electronic latch, illuminating the cabin call legend in the cockpit. Each of these outputs is activated by the toggle input. When the pilot selects the cabin call switch to answer the call, the ICS channel is activated, and the ICS legends in the cabin and in the cockpit illuminate. This occurs as ground is again applied through the Q output of the electronic latch of the cabin call switch located in the cockpit. The illuminated ICS legends indicate the call between the cabin and the cockpit is active. This function again used the Q output of the cabin call switch initiated by the toggle input. However, the Q output is connected to the reset input of the pilot call switch, which now forces the blink output to steady on, causing the pilot call legend to stop blinking and illuminate. Notice the ICS legend and intercom function are controlled exclusively by the cabin call switch in the cockpit, assigning priority to the pilot and preventing any effort by the cabin to cancel the call. An additional feature of the VIVISUN electronic latch is the lockout mode, using the reset input of the cabin call switch. In this case, the cabin and the cockpit are connected active on ICS. Should an automatic channel to ATC be activated, ground is applied to the reset input. The Q output is forced to open, canceling the ICS legends in both the cockpit and cabin. As long as the reset input is held low by the ATC COM input, toggle is disabled and any effort to activate the ICS is blocked. Once the ATC link is canceled, ICS may once again be activated. As you can see, the new VIVISUN Logic Series allows designers to simplify complex circuit designs and maximize operator interface with an electronic latching switch that has demonstrated performance to meet or exceed the most demanding standards. From Aerospace Optics, the exclusive manufacturer of VIVISUN LED push-button switches, the new VIVISUN Logic Series electronic latch delivers innovation, reliability, Mil-Spec quality, superior performance, and Aerospace Optics' commitment to customer service that begins with anticipating your needs and understanding your applications in order to deliver the right part exactly when it is needed. The logical choice is the VIVISUN Logic Series electronic latching switch. contact Aerospace Optics for a quote or specify your VIVISUN Logic Series switches on our website configurator today.